Alright, so this is my R6 2006. Shit. Apparently you don't want to turn on. I don't know what the fuck's wrong with it. I took out the fairings, so that's why it looks like this. It looks all fucking wired up, but I just took out the fairings. It's easy to put back on. So whenever I try to turn it on, it does this. Did you hear that? Hold on. Yeah, so I don't know why it doesn't want to turn on. I changed the crankshaft case. They cracked, but I already replaced it with a brand new one. Got a 25 on it. This is my 2000 R6. Probably one of you guys know why this is happening. Thank you.